Hey guys, as you know, this is a community more than a channel. As always, I'm bringing you stuff as soon as I get it in. Second video of the day, the Supernote A5X. We're just gonna do an unboxing. There is so much to this. You know, we've got the three A5s in this area that I think are really popular. We have the Note Air, which has taken a lot of market share. We have the Remarkable 2, which came out and is getting a lot. And then we have the A5, which I have here with the Supernote that I haven't used that much. But we've now got a new device, which is the A5X, okay? And I just want to read you some things as we do this. This is pretty crazy. And if you're just new here, I do tech almost every single day. We do live shows on Thursdays. It's a community morning channel, so please let us know who you are in the comments. We have fun. And ask me any questions you got, because this week I'm going to be using this device and testing all this stuff. Because here's what they sent me. Just listen to this. Your Supernote A5 review unit has been shipped. By the way, thank you Supernote for sending this. This is my second review device ever. The Quilla was the first from QuarkLogic. You know I'm a big fan of them. But they say, and I got to put on my glasses, think about this. There is a new software. It's in beta, and they're going to release a new version January 5th with additional features such as creating Word documents. You heard that right. Converting handwriting recognition to text. I can't wait to see. That's a big one. See how that works. New proofreading marks, floating toolbars, and more. I've got connect to a Bluetooth keyboard, Kindle app, and additional reading resources coming soon. EPUB, JPEG, Word, PNG, PDF files, Dropbox, Gmail support, USB-C, and USB-C to USB-C charging. I know that because the 5 doesn't work USB-C to USB-C. You have to go USB regular to USB-C. Heart of Metal series and their Lamy series pins. Just for those of you that want some technical stuff, 10.3 Mobis, soft and virtually unbreakable ink screen at 226 ppi. Weight is 375 grams. It's got a quad-core Cortex A35, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, pretty strong battery in it, and USB to USB-A and USB-C to USB-C. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Android based. So let's get into it and see. Pretty impressive idea of where they're at. And I keep saying that I think it's going to fit in the simplicity of the Remarkable, right? The complexity of the Note Air. I think it's going to fit right in the middle with some of this new technology. So we're going to just tear it off. It comes in the typical Supernote box. Again, demo unit here. The accessories may be a little bit different than normal. So I got a package here. I'm sure this probably came from them. I have not looked at this yet. Oh, cool. That's a Lamy A6X cover. That was cool for them to send that over. Okay, so we've got the A5X in the box. Let's move this over here. Okay, we're just going to set this up. Comes in a box. Nice. Shipped pretty great. Really professional packaging, just to notice right away. I like the box. Again, I think their styluses are by far amazing. I got the Orb here to help open this sucker up, so we'll get this out. The Orb trainer, I'll get into that later, but let's go ahead and just open this up. I think this is the first A5X in the States, probably one of the first in the world. It is a demo unit, so let's go ahead and get it out of the wrap here, and we'll see what we got. And I'm sure the form factor is very similar to the A5, which I've seen, but I want to show you it anyways. And really what we're going to be talking about is that Android operating system. I think is, you know, this week as we get into this and we look at it a little bit more. Unusual company, very much so on Reddit. All right, so let's take a look. As we take a look at the packaging, first comes out the folio. I do like their folios. This one feels like a little bit of a leather, kind of a brown one. This is cool. Again, this is a demo unit, so some of these might be a little different. The folio for the A5 comes in this kind of a denim one that I got with the really nice stylus, a Heart of Metal stylus that I really like. And again, here we got another stylus. This looks like a Heart of Metal stylus where the nibs do not wear out. That comes out, which is really cool. Their styluses just feel really good. I'm a Mont Blanc guy, and I love these. Okay, the Supernote, let's take it out. Yes, it is the same configuration as the A5. And the thing that I really like about this is they say the drop tests are amazing on it. I'm not going to drop this. That's one thing I'm not going to do. But it comes in obviously good packaging here. Let me go ahead and get it open. Where is the Orev? It's got a little tear off here, but there it is. Opens up pretty easy. Comes out of there. Okay, and one of the things I really like about the Supernote is compared to the Note Air, okay, is that this has to be stuck in there with 3M tape. Note Air is a great device. I mean, I'm not going to rip at it. And then the Remarkable, okay, has a nice magnetic case. We've always known that, the Remarkable 2. It comes in and out. But this actually has a kind of a really neat kind of concept with a kind of a channel in the back here. So the channel comes back here, and there's a piece of plastic, and you just push it down, okay? And that kind of goes on there, and now we have our device in the packaging, okay? So that's how it looks. Has a nice pin loop right there in the packaging. I believe we have a USB cable, which is USB to USB-C or USB-A to USB-C. And like I said, the nice thing is this does charge USB-C to USB-C for those of you who have it. You do have some documentation. Again, caveat, this is a demo version. Software to be upgraded. It is in beta, so I'm not going to get in the software. I'm going to update it. Tomorrow is when they're going to be sending that out, and I will start talking and using these different things that they've got. Like I said, I mean, can you imagine making a Word document, converting to handwriting to text, which I'm really interested in, proofreading marks, floating toolbars. How is this as a reader? You know, that's a big one, right? You know, the Remarkable 2 is not a great reader. The Note Air is. It connects to a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard. That might be pretty cool. Kindle app. A lot of cool things with this. A nice stylus. We're going to get into it in depth this week. Again, where does it fit? Let's go ahead and put it up here. Here is the A5. This is the A5X. So we knew it would have similar form factor, but it fits right in that same form as these, you know, kind of the market for these A5 e-ink devices. And so the Supernote they're in it, man. They're on Reddit. They're being very active in the community. I tell you, QuirkLogic with the paper and the Quilla is very active. This is another very active community that is listening to their user base and is taking some market share. So I'm going to jump into it. I'll power it on. I'll update the software. And so make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be going through this thing and we're going to dig into it. And I'm going to test all these features this week. And we're going to see how this works. And maybe, just maybe, this will fit in your workflow a little bit better than some of the other devices. It could, right? And so it's a Supernote A5X. Quick unboxing here. Nice form factor. I got to tell you, I really like this folio. I really like this. It's like a leather. It feels really good. Very professional. Looks great. So let's get ready for this. Awesome. As always, videos almost every day. If you don't mind hitting that thumbs up, it helps with the algorithm. This is a community more in the channel, so I'd love to hear from you below. We have a new Facebook group you can join also if you'd like to chat a little bit, or you could just hang out right here because it's a great place. I bring you energy almost every single day, and I'm going to continue to do that. Supernote A5X, let me know down below, what do you think of this thing? And later in the week, as I start using it, I will start breaking down these features, especially when they update the software, so we can test it out. All right? Supernote A5X. Pretty cool. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.